Shimoga is a key Lok Sabha constituency in Karnataka and has given the state 4 chief ministers and 1 deputy chief minister. This time it's a multi-pronged battle in a constituency that in recent years has become a bastion of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Shimoga clash begins as a fight between the children of 2 former chief ministers of Karnataka. B.Y. Raghavendra, the son of B.S. Yedurappa, is up against Geeta Shivraj Kumar, daughter of the former chief minister S. Bangarappa. From 2009 onwards, it's B.Y. Raghavendra and B.S. Yedurappa who've been winning from this seat. But Geeta Shivraj Kumar's father, S. Bangarappa, had won from here in 1996 and 2004 as well. What's made the fight all the more interesting this time in Shimoga is the decision of K.S. Ishwarappa, a BJP stalwart, deciding to contest as a rebel from this constituency. He will contest as an independent and has been expelled from his former party for a period of 6 years. Geeta Shivraj Kumar is married to Shivraj Kumar, a popular Kannada actor fondly known as Shivanna, and he is the son of the iconic Dr. Rajkumar, arguably the Kannada film industry's most renowned actor. Times Network's Deepak Bopanna spoke to the couple ahead of their campaign.
A very warm welcome to all our viewers to yet another episode of Access. Here, of course, we meet the Neta, we spend time with them, bring you a side of the Neta that's never seen before. Today, we are visiting the constituency of Shimoga. Now, you might be wondering what I'm doing in front of a beach when I'm talking about Shimoga. But yes, as far as the Lok Sabha constituency is concerned, some parts of Kundapur and Baignur, where I'm right now at, fall under this constituency. It's a 3-way fight. It's Mr. B.Y. Raghavendra, the sitting MP, the son of B.S. Yedurappa. You also have K.S. Ishwarappa, the rebel from the BJP contesting. But today we are going to be meeting Geeta Shivraj Kumar, the candidate of the Congress and the wife of superstar Shivraj Kumar. So without further ado, let's go straight in. They're in this resort right now taking a small break. They reached late last night. They have campaign once again starting this morning. Before the start of that campaign, let's try and catch up with them and get to know about their plans in this campaign and everything that's happening in their lives. Let's get it. So, very good morning to both of y'all.
Good morning.
Thank you for willing to speak to us. Thank you, ma'am. And how's the journey been? Now you've reached the beach from the hot, humid and torrid Shimoga. The beach must be feeling much better.
No, everywhere it's the same. There also it's hot, here also it's hot, and we are used to it now.
I think Shivanna is dressed perfectly for the beach attire. At least I know you have only about 10-15 minutes in the morning before you have to get ready, Shivanna, and go for the campaign. But at least you're in your sleeveless. Look at me, I'm wearing 2 layers.
But what do you have come early in the morning attacking us? So we got attacked, no? Now, okay, fine, it's okay. But morning beach side always this costume suits actually.
Absolutely. And I can 100% say it because wearing these 2 layers, I know there is a beach inside my body right now. Anyway, nonetheless, Geeta ma'am, I'd like to ask you, because I know you have very little time, so I'm going to jump straight into some of these important questions, which are not very important because this is a very light-hearted show. This is trying to get to know both of you all, your election campaign and how it's been. Preparation for this election, has it started post you getting a ticket or has it begun much before, ma'am?
Much before.
Okay. How take us through that journey of your preparation to try and, contest for this Lok Sabha constituency?
Actually, everybody knew I was going to stand, but everything has to come from High Command in Congress.
Correct.
So we were waiting for that. The list had to be announced.
Okay. So for you, after the list, because most of the candidates work even before the list comes out because they have something in mind. But for you, of course, you are a daughter of that land. People already know you, so you have that edge, I could say. Do you feel that comes into picture now when you're campaigning, when you're going into the rural parts of Shimoga and different parts of the constituency?
It makes a lot of difference. But before that also, I worked for 5 elections with my brothers and one of mine also. So I'm used to Shimoga everywhere. I've gone till all the edges of Shimoga district also. Throughout I've done. I will like one election, party decided and sent me into panchayat level also. I've gone.
Okay. So you know all the rural parts of
yes,
the
I do know.
constituency.
Yes,
Shivana, how has it been for you campaigning? Has it been any different? and you enjoy stardom, of course. Usually,
No,
you're used
yeah, that's there. That's my main profession. Actually. Apart from that, I just went for Geeta's election, for 2014, and again last year assembly election for Madhu, then Gopal Krishna, then Lakshmi Hebalkar, then Bhim Naik, Bhimanna. I think 7, 8, and for CM Siddharamaiah sir, and it was okay. Otherwise, no, I like meeting the peoples, and it's a different experience. But this time it was more emotional, and some places where nobody can go. We have gone to that places. So it's more touching with the people, the interaction. They see only TV, the glimpses, and when they know about a family and getting connected with persons that not. So many people said nobody comes here, sir. We feel that we are seeing a God. Small emotions. We think, why this thing is happening? How come? Because they're responsible for any politician to be in any place.
But when you say some people saying that they felt like they saw God, you must have had that response, Shivanna, in the past as well, because of the kind of superstar
That's a
that you enjoy.
that's a different issue. Yeah, when we go for this type, when we go for campaigning for asking for votes, and people say that they are in tears. You don't know, because when you see when we say no, it will look very simple, but when you feel no, when you experience no, you'll know. What is it? How come it is so this much? We feel, as a human being, might be, I have grown up old. Seeing this, I've grown up old, and that's why I'm feeling a lot, I think. But nowadays, it's not old or young. Like everybody gets connected to the what some issues or humans' emotion. Everybody gets connected. It's not the matter of age. But I'm saying, I don't know how come nobody goes. When an actor goes, but when they say no, we feel that nobody has come, because now I felt that they have got some hope, a ray of hope. Some people coming and thinking that something is going to happen good. I feel they are expecting a change.
Talking about change, ma'am, in the constituency, it's a three-way fight for you right now. And I would say it's an advantage if you look at it, because it's a three-way fight, because Mr. Ishwarappa has decided to contest against the BJP itself. How do you really look at the constituency, because it has been a bastion, of course, of the BJP. Mr. B.Y. Raghavendra has been winning repeatedly from there. Mr. Yedurappa has been winning again from there. Mr. Vijendra now. Is that intimidating in any way?
No, it's not. BJP got to stay in Shivamogga because of my father. When my father joined BJP, until then they were getting very few seats. If you can look back, the year my father went to BJP, the seats increased over there. So I don't think that that we can't bring them down, like in the elections, that we can't say that they are only going to win or anything like that. Just because they've been winning from 3 times.
So you will agree with Shivanna when he says that there is a change that people are looking for?
Yes, there is a lot of change. For us also, it was a different party when I stood for elections in the last one. Yeah. This is Congress. This is Congress here. So, and my father is there everywhere. That time. And my brother, who is a minister also now, working very well. So all that is there with us.
When you say everything is working well for the Congress party this time, are the guarantees one of the things, or do you feel that it's something else also? What are the factors do you really feel this time makes that change for the Congress or for you?
For me, it is always now it is the 5 guarantee, which have already come into action. From by the time they came into power, right now, if we go and ask anybody, they'll say yes, we've got it. When in the meetings and all, when we ask them, when the other leaders ask them to lift their hand, all ladies lift their hand, like for 2,000 rupees. There were 1 or 2, some technical thing maybe, but it has reached.
But why does the BJP keep saying, well, the promises will be taken away? This is just for the sake of elections that the Congress is coming out with promises. It's draining the funds of the state. There's no development. This is the argument as far as guarantees come.
Yeah, they will talk like that because they haven't done it, no. Congress has done it. So naturally they will oppose our party everywhere. That's okay. People will know. And we have also been telling. First thing, we are not going to, adagatna bidala means we will not let it happen, and our leaders won't let it happen. And more than that, CM sir won't do it.
Simple interruption. One interruption. See what I'm saying? In any fields, you know, take it's in a film or business or anything, or even take your what so-called journalism, your channel, some other channel, XYZ, everything. They'll find a flaw between each other. They'll say this is wrong, that is wrong. See, when one government does, naturally other government will oppose. That's natural. You can go and ask. You can't blame anybody. It is the thing happening in India. No? We can't help it. No? There should be an appreciation when they do something good. When it is not there, you can't develop the country.
See, the 2,000 rupees matter, if we take it for example, I feel that it is helping them during this drought time. Okay, but BJP feels our women are going out of hand. With 2,000 rupees in this time, they have little bit of money in their hand. They can do something. They can buy something. Maybe it's food also. Who knows? And so you know, they will talk. It's okay. They have no work because they couldn't find anything with me. So they brought up a topic of saying that she's not in Shimoga. She doesn't have a house. I have a house, Kuttur, where my father's house. There we are all there. In Shimoga we have a house. Everywhere. So it's okay. Let them talk. No problem.
Both had stopped in Kundapur before making their way towards Baiblur, which is part of the Udupi district but within the Lok Sabha constituency limits of Shimoga.
Well, every time that a superstar gets into campaign, this is the kind of problems that he faces. A lot of people line up, they want to take photographs. There is, of course, delays that do happen, but it is a part of the entire stardom that Shivanna brings with him. And you can see how many members, of course, each and every place that they go to, a huge number of supporters, fans, everyone tailing him. This is at a hotel, and you can see once again the selfie craze, of course, continues. And this you will see through the entire campaigning trail as we now will move with the Shivraj Kumar family, with the candidate Geeta Shivraj Kumar as well, to bring you how robust their campaign is and whether this will really resonate in the minds of the voters. We are now here at Lakshmi Narayana Temple. You can see Geeta Shivraj Kumar and Shivraj Kumar, of course, here to visit a small temple, a small deity here. A lot of people gathered. You can see all of them, of course, with their cameras. And now Geeta Shivraj Kumar herself going to meet the young and the women of the constituency, and they're of course trying to create this bond. And if you could take a look around all over, it is a festive mood here. You can see the Ratha of the temple as well ready. It looks like they are preparing for a fair that is going to be scheduled very soon. Let's try and speak to some of them. ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಗೀತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು?
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು
ಈ ಸರಿ ಅವರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಹೇಳೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ.
They are saying it's a little difficult to say who has. They don't want to really probably get into politics. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇವರು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
They're saying they're very happy. They're happy that as a politician and as film actors, they've come to the village. They said as of now they are the first ones to drop in here. But politically, they really don't want to take an answer. Let's continue, of course, our journey as the convoy now proceeds. We'll be going towards another Samavesha that is scheduled a few kilometers from this location that I'm at. Following the campaign of Geeta Shivraj Kumar, we are here at a Mahila Samavesha. A lot of women, of course, have turned up. And you can see right now Geeta Shivraj Kumar, of course, addressing the gathering and right now trying to convince the people as to why they should vote for the Congress. It is quite humid here, considering they are near the coastal part of the constituency. but that doesn't stop the women, of course, from turning up. As far as the Congress itself is concerned, they of course rely heavily on women or voters as well. This time, considering they've given them free bus rides. They're also giving 2,000 rupees to the heads of the family. This is something that they take into the voters, and that's what Geeta Shivrajkumar as well is trying to somewhere, send that message to the crowds that have gathered here in Baindanur. ನಾವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಸಿರೂರು
ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಬಂದು ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಗೀತಾ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಈ ಸಲ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆಗೆ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಿಂದ
ನಿಮಗೂ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ? ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ? ಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Okay. The stardom of Shivanna, of course, is there for everyone to see wherever he, of course, goes in. There are people for selfies, but I definitely have to ask Shivanna, as thousands of people line up at every road show, at every public meeting that the Geeta Shivrajkumar and Shivrajkumar have, whether this will really translate into votes. And you can see, of course, this is going to be a never-ending process. Shivanna, you're sweating. We're all sweating. It's very hot. When you look at the kind of people who come in for selfies time and again, do you feel that this will translate into votes? Is that something that you really look at?
No, not exactly. Not that. But I think there's a positivity in them. But it's not that. See, if they ask for a photograph, I should not think like that. Yeah. I should not think in other way. Because I should not think as a bribe. Otherwise, there's no difference between me and a corrupt politician. I am an honest human being. I respect their feeling.
That's why you're doing it.
Yes, it's not because of.
Well, that's a very interesting statement by Shivanna. He says that, this is out of love that they're coming here, and he's going to oblige with the photos, and it doesn't matter whether it really translates to votes or not for him. So, definitely quite a novel thought. And we'll of course continue now on this journey, but nonetheless, it has been interesting while we've met them, we've spoken to them and interacted with the people that they are speaking to. And this entire campaign trail, of course, has been quite an interesting one with the kind of stardom that Mr. Shivrajkumar brings with him, the support that his co-actors are also adding to the campaign. It is, of course, making this fight for Shivamogga more interesting than ever.
There were more from within the Kannada film fraternity who had come to campaign for Geeta Shivrajkumar. Dunia Vijay was one of them.
Adding star power to the campaign of Geeta Shivrajkumar is another celebrity and superstar in Karnataka, Mr. Dunia Vijay. Huge response here. You had a power-packed speech as well to offer in support of Geeta Shivrajkumar. What would you like to say, sir?
ನನಗೆ ಗೀತಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ರು ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್ಗೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ ತರದ ಆಸೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಶೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮೋಸ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನು ಬಡವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅವರು. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ, ದಲಿತರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದವರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಸೇವೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ.
ಈ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್?
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, 100%. ದೇವ್ರ ದಯ ಇದೆ, ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್.
Thank you for speaking to Times Now.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Superstar Dunia Vijay there saying that he remembers the contribution made by Geeta Shivrajkumar's father, Mr. Bangarappa, and says that this is going to definitely propel them towards a victory. Let's also, of course, speak to a few other people who come here, and as Geeta Shivrajkumar and Shivanna now make their way from the dais, we'll also try and get in a word from them.
We continued our conversation with Geeta Shivrajkumar and Shivanna.
After a long day at the campaign, we've just stopped to catch up on some lunch. Usually Shivanna must be used to packed lunches as well during set, Shivanna, but today dal rice, especially you're near the coastal region.
Today I have to visit the temple. So afternoon we prefer lighter. Better because again we have to have some functions. If it is too heavy, it's too
feel sleepy.
Yeah. And it's been raining hot, man, through the day, you know, for you as well. Going through the crowds, the heat, you know, when you stop for this break, do you actually eat because you're hungry or because it's necessary?
No, I'm hungry today. I didn't complete my breakfast.
Yeah, I think I was one of the reasons. I had stopped you midway.
No, not like that. It was in the car. I forgot it.
Anyway, you know, you all have been very kind to let us in on your entire day. And, you know, looking at the crowds, it definitely seems, you know, like a positive trend for both of you all. And especially for Geeta ma'am, since you're the one who's contesting. But of course, the amount of, you know, efforts that Shivanna as well is putting. What would you like to say to Shivanna ma'am? You've said a lot about for the people.
What do I say? I don't have to thank him.
You told that, yeah, you said this.
Yeah.
So just maybe next time when Shivanna asks for anything, you just say yes to everything.
No, already I say yes to everything.
Is that so, Shivanna? You get a yes for everything from Geeta ma'am? Whenever you ask for anything, Geeta ma'am says that she already says yes.
Yeah, except duet song.
Except duet song. Well,
Okay, then I'll continue that. I'll give them the explanation.
you should probably.
There are so many songs like that. If we start watching, we'll need about 6 weeks.
Okay.
Continuously watch like that.
You watch a lot of movies together, both of you?
But he watches all languages. But Tamil I can understand and speak a very little. Hindi, these things I watch with him. If other languages, I'll keep on asking, telling me what did he say, what did she say. I like that. So we do watch.
I think during lockdown we started watching a lot of web series.
Web series.
Because my daughter,
What's your favorite one?
always one was
That family.
family.
Family Man?
I forgot the.
But you do watch a lot of things on OTT now. But now I'm sure in the last 1 month you've not got time to really catch up on any of your shows.
I've taken my this one.
Your tablet with you.
iPad, yes.
So when you're sitting in the car, is that something that you go back to?
The room. Half an hour. But I watch. I don't miss that.
I just saw you take a bite of ma'am's plate. Is this something that you often do?
Not exactly.
Or did you, because usually what I see on my wife's plate, I find it more tastier than on mine. So is it the same logic here?
You are good. You're cheating. You're used to it.
It's nice to see this love after all of these years between you two as well. While of course we talk about elections, while we talk about serious politics, the couple that you are is probably an inspiration to many of them, Shivanna.
Thank you.
Well, best of luck to both of you all, and thank you for having us on this campaign trail, and wishing you all the best for the journey ahead. Thank you so much to both of you all.
ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಲಿ ನಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವನ ಅದರಂತೆ ನೀ ಕಲಿ ಅದರಂತೆ ನೀ ನಲಿ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಲಿ ನಲಿ